Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I am so excited to be here today. It's finally starting to warm up. I'm here with my daughter Hannah.
Hello.
She's behind the camera, and we've got a lot to talk about. February is a great month. So
It is.
I heard that there's some discrepancy over whether the groundhog saw a shadow or not, or maybe one saw one and the other one didn't, and they just can't decide who's more accurate. Either way, wherever you are, I hope your weather is good. It is Black History Month, so we're celebrating that all month, and it's also National Embroidery Month, which brings me to the really cool embroidery kit that we've got coming out. We've got this Garden Friends embroidery kit. Didn't I do a tutorial last weekend about this? I can't remember what day. It came out last week, I think. Anyways, this kit is so cool. It's full of beautiful garden themes. We have a fabric kit to go with it, or you can just use whatever you like. We've got a denim kit and then a yellow kit that's like on this beautiful linen. I think the denim is actually chambray, not denim, so it's very easy to stitch through. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It comes with everything that you need to get started. And my favorite are these well, the notions are beautiful, but I just want to show you some of these instruction cards because these designs are so pretty. So there's like hummingbirds and flowers. Oh, the flowers are beautiful. Lots of satin stitch. And if you guys did the Ingrid's kit, this kit is like next level. So you're leveling up in a little bit of difficulty. It'll take a little bit longer. There's lots more satin stitch and lots more detail in these cards. But it's really beautiful.
It is really beautiful, and I'm so excited to get one.
Yeah, they're
I can't wait.
super cute. So I have another tutorial coming out in a few weeks. I'm not really sure exactly what day it releases, but we're doing a kit that basically you can put anything you want on it. You can put applique on it, or you can put embroidery on it. And we're using some designs from this one, and then another like a more baby geared design pack that's coming out, and they're just so beautiful. You could put these designs on bags and sweaters and hats and shoes.
Yeah, very versatile.
They're so pretty. Yeah,
that's exciting.
Yeah, super fun stuff. So embroidery month is in full swing, even though it's only day 4 or 3. I don't even know what day of the week it is. Classic Natalie. But anyways, so what else do we have, Hannah? We have lots of things to talk about.
Yeah.
I just can't remember exactly.
So we also have Missouri Star Academy coming up.
Oh, yes. So Missouri Star Academy is one of my favorite events. We do it every other year, and it's one of those really fabulous opportunities where you get to come together with designers of the fabric and the patterns, and the manufacturers come to town. Like, we have this great big party, and we all just kind of collaborate and learn together. We call it Academy because there's tons of classes. And so you'll have lots of teachers in town, whether you want to learn how to design fabric or how to make a quilt or how to quilt that quilt or everything in between. You know, we kind of have classes on all kinds of things. And it is just 2 days of creativity and fun and collaboration. It's kind of like little family reunion for all those people that we love to see in the industry. Same with QuiltCon, and that's coming up in a few weeks too. I'm going to be going to
very
QuiltCon,
fun.
so if anybody wants to have a meetup or whatever, just hit me up. We might run into each other. It could be super fun.
Yeah, that will be so much fun. Also, you have a tutorial coming out this Friday called Natalie's Friendship Bracelet Quilt.
Yes.
Can you tell me anything about that?
Friendship Bracelet releases on Friday, and it is one that we're going to take half square triangles and we're going to create this block. It has, I can't remember what the middle looks like. Is it a shoe fly? It's kind of like a shoe fly block in the middle, and then it has these little points that go all the way around it. It's very cute. Reminded me of bracelets, and it's made using Shannon Christensen's new line. I just blanked it. Garden something. I don't remember the name of the line. I'm so sorry, Shannon. But it's beautiful, and I love it. It's just great. So that's coming out on Friday. Join me if you want to learn how to make a friendship bracelet. It's very easy. It's a big block too, so your quilt gets big real fast, which is always fun.
That is always nice, because then you don't have to do too much.
Right. Fewer blocks if they're big.
I did also want to say that Missouri Star Academy is on June 10th and 11th.
Oh, that's right.
And our registration will open on March 7th for it.
Okay.
So be sure to keep an eye out for that.
Yeah, but the schedule comes out on the 14th. So you have plenty of time between when the schedule releases and when registration opens to figure out what classes you want to take. You can get that all set up, like, make your little list of see if you can figure out where you want to stay and what you want to do while you're here. And then when registration opens, you can just register for those classes real quick.
Mm-hmm. And that comes out this February 14th.
Yep.
Okay.
February 14th. Not next year, this year.
Yep.
So.
Also, you're going on a trip to China.
Yes, I'm so excited. So we're having special early booking prices right now, and those are up until the 15th. And there's only 18 spots left. So hopefully you guys will sign up and join us. It's going to be super fun. We have beautiful first class accommodations. We're going to walk on the Great Wall. We're going to go to the Forbidden City and Tiananmen Square. We'll have crafting workshops with local artisans. Jade Carving Factory is on the list. Let's see, what else? Shows and zoos. We're gonna go and see the giant pandas, which is so cute.
I love giant pandas.
There's a summer palace. There's lunches and massages and shows. I don't know. It's gonna be fun. There's gonna be lots of fun and food and friends.
So, am I coming with you on that?
I hope so.
Yeah?
I hope we can make it.
I want to go.
I would love to have you there.
If I can't go, can I be your suitcase?
Yes.
I'll just hold all your things for you.
I'll put you in my carry-on because
okay.
those, there's no weight limit. As long as you fit in the overhead bin, it's fine.
I can curl up pretty small.
That's right.
Oh man, that's going to be so much fun. Yes.
Yeah, there's a lot of good stuff going on. I started running again.
Nice.
I took a little break after my hike. I've been very lazy about it, but I decided it's time to get back in shape and went for my first run on Friday.
Oh,
so
nice.
Feeling pretty good about that. The weather's starting to get better, so I'll be able to run outside because I hate running on a treadmill. It's not my favorite.
No, it's so boring because you just sit there and you're just staring at a wall.
Yeah. And you just count down the minutes the whole time, and it's just not fun.
Well, and then there's no breeze, and there's no,
And it's hard on my joints.
Yeah.
So I swim, too. I swim laps after I run, which makes everything feel better.
I love swimming.
Yeah, me too. Good times.
Well, I think that's about all we have for this Tuesday Newsday.
I am doing a couple of block of the months that I'm working on, and I still haven't finished my January ones, but maybe I'll get to them this coming weekend.
Ooh.
And get those posted so everybody can see what's going on. I'm doing one that is a Kona Solids and then one from Bryn Mawr Quilts.
Oh, so pretty.
They're both really cool.
That's very exciting.
Yeah. Get to use my favorite personal fabrics on my personal projects.
That's always the best,
cool.
though.
Yes. Yeah, super fun. So yeah, if there's anything anybody has any questions about or needs more information, just reach out and we'll be happy to help out. Do we have any questions or comments from the crowd?
Not really.
Not that we know of.
Not
it's
that
pretty
we know
quiet
of.
right now, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think everybody's just kind of
There's a lot going on. It's kind of like getting towards the end of winter where we're starting to think about all our spring projects and also just survival at the moment because there's a lot going on.
Yeah, 100%.
So I hope you guys are all safe and healthy and happy, and check back in with us in a few days.
All right, we'll see you later.
All right, bye.